Good morning, students. I hope you all completed chapter 1 and 2 and revised chapter 1. Have you revised? Okay. Now we are going to start our chapter 3. Rational numbers as decimals. Okay, this is the name of the chapter, rational numbers as decimals. In chapter 1 and 2 we studied about rational numbers, operation of rational numbers. Now in third chapter we will read about rational numbers as decimals. Okay, any fraction having denominator as 10 or a power of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, can be easily represented in decimal form. Okay, if any fraction is here and denominator is 10 or powers of 10, we can convert that rational number easily in decimals. As these are the examples: 5 upon 10. Okay, this is a rational number. Here 10 is the denominator. We can convert it easily in decimals. We can write it as 0.5. Here 10 is there. We will leave one digit after before decimal. Okay. Now 13 upon 100. Okay, 100 is there. After decimal we have two digits. We can write it as 0.13. Okay. Next example is 231 upon 1000. Here we can write it as 0.231. Clear? And one more thing, after decimal we will not read it as 0.231. This is the wrong way. The correct way of reading is 0.231. We will read these digits one by one. Clear? And in this worksheet, before starting this worksheet, you should know about these. If we multiply 5 by 2, then we will get 10. 25 by 4, 100. 125 multiplied by 8, 1000 will come. Okay, in this way we can learn. Here one more thing, if we multiply 5 by 25, 5 by 5, then we will get 25. Same, if we multiply 25 by 5, 125. In this way we can learn this easily. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 5, 5, and here we will multiply these by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, like this. And here 1 1 1 0 will increase. Here 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Clear? Okay, it will be helpful for you to do the worksheet 1. Clear? Now we are going to do worksheet 1. Now worksheet 1. In worksheet 1, first sum is express the following rational numbers as decimals. Here rational numbers are given to you. You have to write the decimals of these rational numbers. Okay, you have to convert these rational numbers into decimals. 9 upon 8 is given. I told you, if denominator, although we can write these rational numbers also in decimals, but to make these easy, we will convert the denominator in zeros form, means 10 or powers of 10. Clear? To solve this, here we will make this denominator in the power of 10. We will multiply this 8 by 125. If we multiply denominator by 125, then same by numerator also. Okay, when we multiply these two, we will get 1000 here. We multiply these two, then we will get this. Here we can write it as decimals. Clear? Here you will note down these by from here. This note will be helpful for you. Okay, for this. Okay, now going to next sum, question number 2. This is the rational number given to you. Here also you will make this denominator in the form of zeros or the power of tens. You will multiply this by 8, same multiply by 8. When you multiply, then here 1000 will come. You will convert it into decimal. Okay, in decimal form you will write it easily. Same third part, 1 upon 16 is there. I told you that here 16 multiply 125 means if we multiply 16 by 625, then we will get this 10,000. Okay, in this way we will multiply this 16 by 625 and this also. Okay, here also 10,000 we will get, then we can write it as in decimal form. Okay, now minus 3 upon 4, here minus sign is given, 4 is the denominator, we will multiply 4 by 25 to get 100. Okay, same we will multiply by 25 to numerator also. Here 75 upon 100 we will get, minus sign we will write. Okay, it is already given with the rational number, that's why we are going to write. Here we can write it as minus 0.75. This is the answer. In this way you can do worksheet 1 complete. Clear? In case of any doubt you can ask again. Okay, thank you.